What if the everyday cooking oil in the kitchen could slash emissions, save water and land, and skip farm chemicals altogether? Dramatically reduced carbon footprint. Algae oil made via fermentation cuts carbon emissions by about 47% compared to canola oil, according to industry reporting on commercial production runs. 1 kilogram of algae oil is reported to emit about 1.227 kilograms CO2 versus 2.221 kilograms for olive oil and 2.67 kilograms for avocado oil in published claims from producers covered by food industry media. This reduction comes from producing oil indoors in controlled fermenters, which avoids emissions tied to large-scale field cultivation and processing of traditional oil crops. Efficient resource utilization. Fermentation-based algae oil uses about 1/10 the land and water of conventional oil crops, per sustainability claims, cited by environmental and industry coverage. Because production happens in closed systems, water can be recirculated, cutting total consumption compared to open-field agriculture. Indoor, tank-based fermentation runs year-round, so output isn't limited by seasons, droughts, or heat waves that increasingly disrupt conventional oils. With no fields to plough, algae oil avoids soil depletion and agricultural runoff that typically accompany intensive crop production. Elimination of agricultural chemicals. Algae oil is grown in sterile, controlled environments, so there's no need for pesticides, herbicides, or synthetic fertilizers used in many oilseed systems. Removing these inputs lowers risks of chemical contamination and reduces downstream pollution associated with industrial-scale farming. How this all add up? By shifting oil production from open fields to closed fermenters, algae oil pairs a lower reported carbon footprint with dramatically lower land and water needs while sidestepping the environmental costs of agrochemicals. Curious to cook cleaner? Try algae oil for a week and track the difference, then share results and questions below for a deep dive on sourcing and sustainability numbers.